Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2020 Volvo V60 Cross Country in crystal white metallic with a charcoal leather interior. This all-wheel drive station wagon has less than 20,000 miles on it. It has those sweet 18-inch wheels. Those look like saw blades rolling down the road. It has the Cross Country Pro package, which gives you a lot of upgrades, including the exterior styling kit. So that gives you all of the metal pieces along the bottom. You get the dual integrated tailpipes, the leather wrapped dashboard, the upgrade on the seats, more functionality on the seats, and you get the cool interior illumination color choices. This has keyless entry, hands-free power liftgate, plenty of room in the back here. The linear lime Deco inlays are also part of that Cross Country Pro package. This has the climate package as well, so front seats, back seats, and your steering wheel are all heated. And there's a four-way climate control, so all of your passengers are comfortable. Memory seating for two for both the driver and the passenger, and these beautiful seats with the stitching. You get the leg extension piece and the lumbar support. Really nice seats. Your ignition switch is right here, so with your foot firmly on the brake, we'll twist that to the right, and that's the same to turn the car off. You twist it to the right as well. This has navigation. Off to the left, you'll see your vehicle functions. We have if you want to adjust the passenger seat, the front passenger seat from here, you'll be able to do that when you illuminate that and use your seat controls when you drop your hand down to the left. And then let's see, we have the start stop option if you'd like to turn that off, your lane keeping aid, the headrest folds, so that's cool if you have passengers and then they get out and you want to see a little bit more clearly, you can drop those down from right here. And then if you drop this down, you can get into all the settings. And so we're going into My Car, displays, My Car, lights and lighting, and interior lighting. So the interior mood light intensity is off right now, and we won't be able to see it right now because it's light out, but I'll show you how to do it anyway. We're going to choose high, and then you can either have it go by temperature. So, as the temperature heats up, the color becomes more warm, and then you could also choose by color, and we're going with purple because that's the best. This has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Your climate control is all right here, and your heated seat and steering wheel controls are all right there. This is a beautiful Cross Country. It's stock number 22147. I'll add a link in the description box below for more details. I hope to see you on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine for your test drive. And thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.